Hey guys, we received this Amplim MicroSD card 256 gigs from Amplim to test and try. This is a MicroSD memory plus adapter with an extreme high speed 170 MB per second. So let's open this pack and you can see that there is a small chip. This is a MicroSD card. It's a 256 gigabyte. This is a class 10 U3 UHS-I and can be used for Nintendo, GoPro, Surface, phone camera or anywhere you want to use. So this comes with this adapter so you can use it in any other setting. It's a data lock as well. So let's try this micro SD card. So I'm just putting in a laptop, and as soon as I put it in, you can see that my laptop recognizes this as an external source, and then I can see everything here. So I'm just trying to copy format and select the speed. So everything looks fine. This format really quick, and I'm also trying to copy one file so I can check the speed. I copied one, so I'm copying a 300 MB file, and once I copied, it takes almost 3 to 4 seconds. So it's a really fast micro SD card and can be used in any other setting. You can see the storage and everything works really nice. A nice memory card.